Hello everyone, and welcome to another Paddocks Club video tutorial. In my previous tutorial, I discussed the popular myth that the owner who caused damage to a unit is liable for the insurance excess payable to get that unit fixed. Busting that popular myth really got our club members talking, so I thought it would be a great idea to take another look at a myth members of body corporate tend to live by. Today's focus will therefore be on the claim so often made by many an owner in sectional title schemes, being, my personal information and that of my tenant is just that, personal, and I don't have to share it with anyone. The argument most owners usually pair with this myth is that they are protected by the Protection of Personal Information Act, better known as POPI, and that they therefore do not have to divulge any personal information to the trustees or managing agent of their body corporate. In this regard, it's important to note that the POPI is not yet in force. However, even if it were, one has to remain mindful of its purpose, which is to ensure that institutions that collect, process, store and share someone's personal information do so in a responsible manner, and that they are held accountable if they abuse or compromise the personal information they have acquired. This certainly does not mean that, when you are required by law to furnish your personal information, you may refuse to do so. Section 13(1)(f) of the Sectional Title Schemes Management Act compels every owner to notify the body corporate of any change in ownership or occupancy in his or her section and of any mortgage without delay. When read together with Prescribed Management Rule 27(2)(b), it becomes clear that every owner is to furnish the following information to the person duly authorized by the body corporate to prepare and update its records, namely, the owner and tenant's full names, the owner and tenant's identity numbers or passport numbers if they are not South African citizens, the address of the section owned by the owner and being leased by the tenant, the mailing address of both the owner and the tenant, the owner and tenant's telephone numbers, and the owner and tenant's email addresses. I trust that you have found this tutorial helpful. Should you have any questions or queries regarding obtaining information from members of your body corporate, do not hesitate to post these on the discussion forum. Thank you for watching. And until next time, goodbye.